What's up, guys? Southeast Softwash Thursday, wrapping up a big production week, and tomorrow we got a bunch of guys coming to get all of this stuff behind me. So I want to do a quick video, let you guys see what we've been doing this week, and then we're going to do a maintenance Monday, but we're going to do it on a Thursday because I forgot to do it Monday. So I'm going to do that for you at the end of the video. Just a quick, cheap, as close to free as you can get, but a really important maintenance thing that'll save you a lot of headaches as you're out there working in the field. So let's go this way. Ty's holding the camera. They've been doing a lot of work this week. We've all been putting in some good, things are flowing good, I'll just say that. So we got 8 mini skid pros right here ready to roll out. And then we got 2 more over there on the lift tables that they'll get worked on tomorrow. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 Alumimax Pros. That one right there is not getting a ladder rack. We had a 6th one. The guy came and got it earlier today, so I'm glad he came and got it, but it kind of messed my pocket up. It looked really symmetrical, and my OCD is killing me now because I got this little empty hole right there. But lots of Alumimaxes, getting back caught up on all this stuff. So 3 trailers over there finished. We got a 5.5, a 8 gallon a minute, and then another 5.5 over there in the corner. All those are done. And then today we pulled this one in the shop. That's an 8 gallon a minute hot water unit. So that one's about 75% done. We'll probably get it finished up tomorrow as well. So that guy couldn't make it because he's going to, what do you say?
Sturgis.
Sturgis. I want to say Bristol. He's going to Sturgis. So have fun up there. Whenever you get done, your trailer will be ready. So let's go over here. Let's take a skid. We'll do it on this one. Maintenance Mondays, all right? I know it's Thursday, but let's just pretend that it's Monday. So last Friday, I walked out of the classroom and there was an old dual blend skid on a truck that belongs to a guy here in Alabama, a couple hours north of us. And I walked in, I was like, what's this truck doing in here? And Dusty and Ty were working on it, making a repair. We don't do that, guys. We're not a repair shop. So if you're local, semi-local, don't just show up down here with a truck. We're not gonna stop what we're doing and fix it for you. We have done it in the past. Just call us and see if we can do that for you or not. If we're super busy, we just can't. But we'll walk you through it, let you do it on your own. But this is what was going on with that skid last Friday, and I've just seen it so many times. I don't think dudes are aware that this product exists. This is called Dielectric Grease, all right? Bunch of versions, bunch of brands. This is in a little aerosol squirty can. We got some over there that's gray. It's just a regular tube. This is very important, and it does 2 big things for us. So we'll look like right here where we plug the pumps up, okay? You guys will see it's the other version, the gray version. Right there in that port, and then we plug our pump up. Also down here on the pressure switch, you can use it here as well, where the female plug here, and then this one right here as well. There's male prongs, stabs, as some people call them, here and here. We've had guys that are getting intermittent pump issues say, hey man, load that port up with dielectric grease, plug it up, and it'll just get you a better connection. So the number one thing that this right here does for you is it promotes conductivity. That's a big thing, especially on plugs like this that are not like, most of these are really tight, but if you get one that's a little loose, mechanically you can make that better. You can take this thing and go in here and take, you know, screwdriver, pocket knife, and actually move that male part of that prong around, or you could move it, the male version, the male on this side, and basically make it plug in tighter. I don't know if you guys have ever had to do that at home with, you know, like a lamp or something where it keeps wanting to fall out of the socket. You could spread that or pinch it in and make it basically grab better in the hole. That's what we're doing here. But loading it up with dielectric grease is gonna help get better voltage flow through that port. So that's great. And then the second big thing it does for us is it helps to seal this hole. So like right here, you guys see that little gap right there? Now that only exists because I've unplugged it and plugged it up a couple of times messing with it. So what we wanna do when we build a skid, we will, kind of one of the final things the guys do, we're just gonna load that port up just like so and plug it up, okay? And what it's gonna do is force out all that excess, okay? And that's a lot, but we'll just kind of clean it up. I put way more in there than we normally would. And what did we just do there? We basically sealed that port so that rainwater, but more importantly, bleach water, you know, you shouldn't get bleach here, but things happen out in the field. If you put your wand up this way instead of this way and you're not good about rinsing your system out, it may have a little bleach dripping out of the wand. maybe it drips on the pump and gets over around that port, which will corrode that port up. So let me grab the, well, Ty, you can just tell me from behind the camera. The skids that you guys worked on last Friday, those guys drove for 2 hours. We charged them a repair fee, and again, a really loud truck. Thank you, truck. Thank you, Mater from Cars. Appreciate it. Every time I do a video, it's like, you hear this ridiculous? This is redneck. Listen, he's all the way in another state and we can still hear him. Ty, if those guys had have applied some dielectric grease, would they have had that problem?
No, not at all.
So this can will last you guys like till you retire, okay? Because you're just using a little squirt. We go through a good bit of it because we're building so many systems. So get you some dielectric grease. This is a monthly maintenance item. Just go out there, check it. If it needs some more, unplug it, fill the port, plug it back up, wipe it off. It's gonna do 2 big things for you, and it's so cheap, it's almost free. Hope you guys are having a great week. We'll be in here tomorrow doing some training and loading up a bunch of stuff so that we can build some more stuff. And we're gonna have another big load out the next Friday as well. We'll see you guys tomorrow.